The primary strategy of multi-sector rotation fund is to identify the top 3 to 6 trending sectors. It leads to a two-step process. In the step 1, it's a top-down approach wherein we identify the top 3 to 6 trending sectors. In the step 2, we identify the right kind of stocks from these 3 trending 3 to 6 sectors and identify the right kind of stocks to the portfolio which can generate better returns for the investors. If you look at NSE 500 as a universe, there are 22 sectors as defined by AMFI. Quantitative framework ranks the sectors which are trending in the descending order. The ones with the highest ranking will always be a better trending sector to be invested in. The quantitative framework enables us to rank the top 3 to 6 sectors that we need to invest. However, once the quant strategy has ranked the sectors, we subject it to the fundamental analysis. We first understand why the sector is coming on the top, why the sector is trending, what is the primary factor which is driving the sector. Is there a government policy change? Is there a fundamental change in the sector? Or is there a macroeconomic change which is driving the performance of the sectors? Once we are convinced on the factors which are driving the sectors, so that's when we identify and shortlist the top 3 to 6 sectors wherein we construct the portfolio. From these 3 to 6 trending sectors, we identify the right kind of stocks to be added to the portfolio. Once again, we run a quantitative framework on the stocks from these 3 to 6 trending sectors. And this quant strategy helps us in ranking the stocks in a descending order. The ones which are trending on the top are the ones which we need to add to the portfolio. However, we subject this to further fundamental analysis. In the fundamental analysis, we evaluate the stocks which are coming in the ranking for any kind of corporate governance issues or for that matter any technical analysis. We subject it to the quality of the stock. We evaluate the valuations of the company. Once we build a conviction around these stocks, we add the stocks to the portfolio. That's how we build the constructive portfolio of the multi-sector rotation fund. But it's not just important of building the portfolio. We also monitor this portfolio on an ongoing basis. And also, we regularly rebalance the portfolio on a month-on-month basis. When we do a month-on-month rebalancing, we found that it's not that all the sectors change every month, but we found that some of the stocks within the sectors, the weightages of these stocks can vary. At times, we also see that there's a fundamental change in the sector happening, and we'll be able to rotate from one sector to another sector and during the course of rebalancing. So this helps us to evaluate the sectors which are going out of trend and the sector which are entering into a trend. The rebalancing activity will help us to rotate money from one sector to another sector and still maintain the trend on an ongoing basis. Thus, the multi-sector rotation fund will always try to maintain the trend by investing in these 3 to 6 trending sectors.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.